Hello, children. Today we are starting the chapter which we read yesterday, Nasruddin's Aim. So let's quickly revise the chapter which we read yesterday. There was a man whose name was Nasruddin, and he boasted about his skill in archery to his friends. So his friends thought to test his skill in this archery game. Therefore, they bought an arrow. Therefore, they bought this bow and some arrows for him and told him to have a target and shoot with the arrow. Nasruddin started aiming the target, but firstly, the arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Therefore, his friends started laughing, and Nasruddin started defending himself. And secondly, when Nasruddin hold the arrow, it when the second time arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen before. This time also Nasruddin started defending himself by giving various reasons. But it certainly hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, and this must be how you shoot an arrow. अब वो नसरुद्दीन का मजाक उड़ाने लगे और बोलने लगे कि इसी तरह से तुम एरो से शूट करते हो. Then Nasruddin argued with them and said, of course not. Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim. This time अब वो बोलता है कि इस बार वो एम उसका नहीं था, चीफ गार्ड का एम था. Now somebody remarked, well, now who's next on the list? अब वो सोचते हैं, अब देखते हैं अब की बार नसरुद्दीन किसका नाम लेके खुद को डिफेंड करता है. हियरिंग दिस ऑल द फ्रेंड्स बस्ट आउट लाफिंग. और ये सुनकर वो सब खूब ज़ोर ज़ोर से हंसने लगते हैं. Nasruddin didn't say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow. And this time he is ready again for the arrow, to hit the arrow, and this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit bang on the target. Everybody stared at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement. So children, here agape means खुला रह जाना, वाइड ओपनड. उनके मुंह, सबके उनके फ्रेंड्स के मुंह खुले रह गए हैरानी से. बिफोर एनीवन कुड से एनीथिंग, नसरुद्दीन सेड ट्रियम्फेंटली, डिड यू सी दैट? इट वॉज माई एम. इससे पहले कि वो सब लोग कुछ कहते, नसरुद्दीन बहुत खुशी से और प्राउडली बोले. ट्रियम्फेंटली मीन्स हैप्पीली एंड प्राउडली. अब नसरुद्दीन बहुत खुश थे तो उन्होंने खुद से खुशी में बोला, क्या तुम लोगों ने देखा? दिस वॉज माई एम. सो हियर वी फिनिश दिस चैप्टर.